In this next problem, we're going to add an improper fraction to an already completed answer. What that means is if you ended up with something like 4 and 5/6 plus 2 and 1/3. Like we already know, my denominators are different, so I have to make them the same. I could either marry them or do little chases the big. I'm going to do little chases the big because I know 3 times 2 is 6. Now I need to make it into an equivalent fraction. What I do to the bottom, I do to the top. Therefore, I have 5/6 and 2/6. Notice I'm leaving those whole numbers alone. 5 plus 2 is 7. My denominator stays the same. I now see that I have an improper fraction, 7/6. What I need to do is make it a mixed number. So I'm going to divide, like we did in the previous lesson. 6 goes into 7 1. My remainder is 1. That becomes my new numerator. So now I have 1 and 1/6. Plus, I need to add the 4 and the 2. So that's 6. Therefore, my new answer is going to be 7 and 1/6. Let's try another one. Say I had 3 and 4/5 plus 1 and 1/2. My denominators are different. I have to make them the same. 2 times nothing equals 5, so I'm going to marry them. What I do to the bottom, I do to the top to make an equivalent fraction. I now have 8/10 and 5/10. Since they have the same denominator, I add. 8 plus 5 is 13/10. Notice I'm not dealing with the whole numbers. 13/10 is an improper fraction. I need to divide. 10 goes into 13 one time. My remainder is 3. 3 becomes my numerator. 10 stays the same. Now I'm going to add my whole numbers. 3 plus 1 is 4. So if I add that all together, 4 plus 1 is 5, plus the 3/10, my answer is 5 and 3/10.